In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen on Microsoft Teams and still see participants. If you've ever presented something in Teams and felt like you lost sight of everyone in the meeting, this quick setup can make the experience much easier. Being able to keep participants visible while you present helps you stay engaged, read reactions, and make sure your audience is following along. To begin, make sure you're already in a Microsoft Teams call or meeting. This method is something you'll adjust during the meeting itself, so once your meeting window is open, you're ready to go. If you're planning to present, it's a good idea to set this up before you start sharing your screen so everything feels smooth and organized. Next, look for the View option in the meeting controls. This is where Teams gives you different ways to arrange what you see on screen. The layout you choose here affects whether participant videos stay visible while you're working inside the meeting. After clicking View, hover over More Options. Don't rush this part. When you move your cursor over More Options, additional layout choices will appear. This is where Microsoft Teams hides a few extra viewing settings that can be really useful during presentations. From there, click Show Gallery at top. This is the key step. Turning on this option moves the participant gallery to the top of the Teams window, which helps keep the people in your meeting visible while you continue presenting. Instead of losing the participant view behind your shared content, you'll have a clearer layout that lets you stay connected with the group. This can be especially helpful during team meetings, training sessions, demos, or any presentation where you want to watch for raised hands, facial reactions, or signs that someone wants to jump in. It creates a more natural meeting flow and helps you avoid talking into what feels like an empty room. If the layout doesn't look exactly right at first, give Teams a second to adjust. Depending on your window size or screen setup, the gallery may shift slightly. You may also want to resize your Teams window or organize your desktop before sharing, so everything remains easy to manage. That's all it takes to keep participants visible while presenting in Microsoft Teams. Once you enable Show Gallery at top, you'll have a better balance between your shared content and the people you're speaking to, making your meetings feel more interactive and much easier to handle.